Did you know your breakfast might be destroying your body every single day? But don't worry. Today I'm going to reveal a breakfast so powerful it can speed up your metabolism, burn stubborn fat, and give you insane energy first thing in the morning. And the best part, it's healthy, delicious, and so easy to prepare that anyone can do it. Stay until the very end, because I'll reveal a secret ingredient that completely transforms this breakfast into a real elixir for your body. And 99% of people never use it. If you miss this part, you'll stay stuck in the cycle of fatigue and cravings forever. Let's start right now, before it's too late. Imagine waking up every morning thinking you're doing everything right. You have your normal breakfast and feel fine for the first few minutes. But here's the shocking truth. That breakfast might be programming your body to gain weight, age faster, and drain your energy throughout the day. And the worst part, most people have no idea. They've been making this mistake every single day for years. What most people eat in the morning seems harmless. Cereal, white bread, packaged juice. But these are hidden traps. These foods create massive blood sugar spikes first thing in the morning, forcing your body to release large amounts of insulin. And do you know what that does? It turns your body into a fat storing machine. It's like pressing the gain weight button at 8 a.m. And it doesn't stop there. That sugar spike gives you a false sense of energy, but 2 hours later, boom, you're hungry again, tired, and even irritable. This is what we call an energy crash, a vicious cycle that can wreck your productivity and force you to eat more junk throughout the day. But hold on, because I'm about to show you how to avoid this with a breakfast that does the exact opposite. Burns fat and gives you explosive energy. A recent study showed that people who start their day with a high-sugar breakfast are 3 times more likely to develop problems like obesity, diabetes, and even heart disease. Now, imagine living like that for years, thinking you're taking care of yourself, when in reality, you're silently destroying your metabolism. The good news, there's a simple, delicious, and powerful solution, and I'm about to show you. But first, let me share a secret that most diets don't want you to know. What really activates fat burning and gives you steady energy isn't eating less. It's eating smarter right at the start of the day. I'll reveal what you need to put on your plate to turn your body into a true energy machine. And no, you don't need complicated recipes or to spend a fortune. What if I told you that in just 7 days, with this breakfast, you'll start feeling real changes, more focus, fewer uncontrollable cravings, and even your belly might start flattening. People who tried this method reported less anxiety and even better sleep quality, just by changing what they eat in the morning. Want to know what it is? Hold tight because we're almost there. Up next, I'll show you the step-by-step transformational breakfast with the secret foods that nourish every cell in your body and help you lose weight effortlessly. And believe me, the last ingredient on this list is so powerful it's been banned in some mainstream diets. Don't leave now, because if you miss this part, you'll stay stuck in the cycle of fatigue and stubborn fat. The moment has arrived that could change how your body works every single morning. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast so powerful, it speeds up your metabolism, keeps you full for hours, and switches on fat-burning mode. And the best part, you'll feel full of energy, like you've charged your batteries to the max. Get ready, because I'm about to walk you through this miracle combo. Step 1. The power of protein. Start with 2 to 3 organic eggs. Why? Because protein increases satiety, helps you build muscle, and activates thermogenesis, meaning your body burns more calories just by digesting. It's like giving your metabolism its first push. And if you don't like eggs, stay until the end because I'll share a secret alternative that works just as well. Step 2. The good fats. Now, add half an avocado or a handful of nuts like walnuts or almonds. These foods are rich in essential fatty acids that balance your hormones and fuel your brain. The result? Stable energy, fewer cravings, and laser-sharp focus throughout the day. But watch out. Quality matters here. Avoid refined and processed oils at all costs. Step 3. The antioxidant power. Include a handful of berries, strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. These little superfoods are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells from premature aging. And the best part, they're sweet enough to satisfy that morning sugar craving, but without the energy crash. Now, imagine the combination of all this: protein, healthy fats, and This magic trio puts your body into a state called metabolic upgrade, where you stop storing fat and start using it as fuel. While most people are still eating sugar-packed cereals, you're already training your body to be an energy machine. But hold on. There's still a secret ingredient that multiplies the effect of this breakfast. Most people never use it, and that's exactly why they can't lose weight or maintain their energy throughout the day. In the next segment, I'll reveal this ingredient and how it activates the master key for your metabolism. And I promise, you'll want to add it to your breakfast tomorrow morning. And remember, this routine isn't just about losing weight. It's about completely transforming your health. Shinier hair, clearer skin, sharper mental focus. All of this is possible when you give your body the right nutrients first thing in the morning. In the next step, you'll discover the finishing touch that takes this breakfast from good to extraordinary. Don't leave now, because if you miss this, you'll miss the secret that changes everything. Now pay very close attention, because this next step is what separates an okay breakfast from one that can completely transform your body. We're talking about an ingredient so powerful that top nutritionists call it brain fuel and a natural fat burner. And the best part, it's cheap, easy to find, and you can add it to your breakfast tomorrow morning. The secret ingredient is none other than extra virgin coconut oil. Yes, the one you've probably seen in the supermarket, but never imagined what it can do for your body. This food contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly absorbed and converted into pure energy without being stored as fat. It's like switching your metabolism to turbo mode first thing in the morning. But that's not all. Coconut oil also has an incredible effect on the brain. Studies show it can improve memory, boost focus, and even help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. Imagine starting your day with both physical and mental energy, while everyone around you is still half asleep after their buttered toast and sugary coffee. Here's the trick. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to your eggs while cooking, or mix it into your coffee. Yes, in coffee. This creates an effect known as a ketogenic boost, which trains your body to use fat as fuel instead of sugar. The result? More energy, fewer uncontrollable cravings, and a metabolism that works for you all day long. Most people never use this trick, and that's why they stay stuck in the cycle of fatigue, cravings, and stored fat. It's like trying to run a marathon with an empty gas tank. But you're not going to make that mistake, because now you know what really works. And listen carefully. In the next segment, I'll share an extra morning ritual that, when combined with this breakfast, can multiply your results in just a few days. But beware. There's a mistake many people make when using coconut oil. They buy cheap, refined versions that do not have the same benefits. Make sure you use extra virgin cold-pressed coconut oil to get all the nutrients and avoid toxic chemicals hidden in low-quality versions. This detail alone can make all the difference in your results. Now that you know the secret ingredient, you're one step away from unlocking your body's true potential. In the next segment, I'll reveal a simple drink you should have right when you wake up. Combined with this breakfast, it triggers a total transformation in your metabolism. Get ready, because this is the part that will shock you and change your routine forever. Imagine waking up and before even taking a bite of breakfast, switching your body into transformation mode. This is where a simple yet powerful drink comes in, which many call the morning detox for metabolism. This drink prepares your cells to absorb the nutrients from breakfast and gives you an instant energy boost. And the best part, you can make it in under 60 seconds. Here's what you need. 1 glass of warm water juice, of half a lemon, a pinch of Himalayan pink salt optional, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This simple mix deeply hydrates your body first thing in the morning, alkalizes your blood, and helps flush out toxins accumulated overnight. It's like charging your internal batteries before starting the day. But the most incredible effect of this drink is what it does to your metabolism. The lemon and apple cider vinegar stimulate digestive enzymes, which means your body will process breakfast much faster and more efficiently. The result? Less bloating, more energy, and even clearer, glowing skin after a few days. And pay attention, the pink salt isn't just for flavor. It contains essential minerals, like magnesium and potassium, that balance your electrolytes and help fight that morning tiredness. While everyone else runs for coffee, trying to wake up, you'll feel natural, sustained energy, like you've switched on an internal generator. Now imagine this. You wake up, drink this powerful mix, and then have breakfast with eggs, avocado, berries, and coconut oil. Your body enters a state of high metabolic performance, burning fat as fuel and keeping you full for hours. It's the perfect combo to start your day like a machine. But pay attention. Do not drink this mix after eating, because the effect won't be the same. It must be the first thing you put into your body when you wake up. This small detail is the difference between average results and a total transformation. Up next, I'll show you how to combine all this into a 7-day challenge to see amazing results in record time. If you do this ritual every day, you'll start noticing changes in the first week. A less bloated belly, more energy throughout the day, and even a more stable mood. And remember, in the next step, I'll reveal the Ruvian challenge that can completely transform your body and mind in just 7 days. Don't miss it. This is the part that could change your life. Now that you know everything, I have a challenge for you. The Ruvian 7-day challenge. For the next 7 days, I want you to wake up and do exactly this. Start with the morning drink I showed you. Prepare the transformational breakfast with protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and the secret ingredient. Repeat every day without skipping. If you do this, you'll feel an explosion of energy, fewer cravings, and you'll start to see real changes in your body. And when you feel the first results, come back here and comment, "I am Ruvian," so I know you're committed to your transformation. Now, if you want to continue this journey to a healthier, more energetic body, do 2 things. First, click the subscribe button and join the Ruvian tribe. Because we're building a community of people who want to transform and become the best versions of themselves. Second, don't leave yet. Click the video that's now showing on the screen, where I explain how to prevent cancer naturally. This could be the most important video you watched this year. Let's transform your body and health together. The time is now. Join the Ruvian revolution.